My greatest takeaway was that the pressure of writing 2 good sentences in 10 minutes make me work harder.
My greatest takeaway from today's class was coming up with 2 assertive language persuasive sentences.
I learned how to make my sentences more persuasive and more exciting to read.
I learned that using assertive language makes your words more professional.
My biggest takeaway was learning about other people's topics and how it can help me.
It was interesting how people came up with their ideas.
I learned new words to use that would be persuasive to convince people of my idea.
I was really impressed by how everyone was so confident when they were reading their 2 persuasive sentences.
I feel like my greatest takeaway from this class was I was open to using new, better adjectives because they were more descriptive and they catch more attention from the audience.
Today I learned that using a variety of words makes your sentence more persuasive.
My biggest takeaway from today was that sometimes less is more when it comes to describing something.
Today I learned that persuasive language can improve your sentences. I learned that you can use different words to make your sentence sound better.
I really liked today's class because of the rehearsing with the partner. Like the partner gave you feedback on how to make your sentences better.